What if one small program written in just a few hours changed someone's work life so much it actually made them cry? Well, that actually happened. This is Fred Luddy, the guy who created ServiceNow, and he was working at a company where this woman, Phyllis, was stuck doing the same painful, repetitive tasks every day. She had to enter the same information into the same forms over and over again. So she asked Fred if he could help, and he did. He wrote a simple program that filled in the data for her automatically with the click of a button. And when she used it, she cried. That was the moment that Fred realized something. Technology, when it's done right, shouldn't just be about programs or features. It should actually help people, like relieve pain, save time, and make work better. That moment stuck with him, and it eventually led him to build ServiceNow, a platform designed to do exactly that. Solve real business problems through automation and workflows and smart design. And in this video, I'm going to take you inside the platform so you can actually see how it works and what makes it so powerful. And this is what it looks like. This is the actual ServiceNow platform running in the cloud. It's used by thousands of companies around the world to manage all kinds of work. And if you're curious, you can actually get your own version of the platform to explore and practice with. I'll show you how to do that later in the video. But let me give you a peek around. Up here at the top, you've got a pretty standard header bar with the main menu and tools for things like settings and help and search. And then over on the left, though, this is where the real action starts. This panel is called the Application Navigator, or just App Nav, and it's a big deal. This is where you'll find all of the applications that make up the ServiceNow platform. Every built-in app and custom-built apps, every module, every tool, it all starts here. And in the center, you've got the main workspace where whatever you open, whether it's a form or a list or a dashboard, actually shows up. Now let me scroll through the App Nav for a second. The list of applications is huge. You'll find tools for just about every part of the business. IT, of course, but also HR, customer service, security, even finance. And it doesn't stop there. There are also powerful tools for building your own apps, even if you've never written a line of code. So you're not just using what comes out of the box, you can actually create new solutions tailor-made for the way that you work. And that's one of the coolest things about ServiceNow. It's not just for IT, it's a flexible platform that can help you manage almost any kind of work in any part of the business. Let me show you how it works. ServiceNow is a platform, which means it gives you everything you need to manage and automate work across the business. And it's all web-based, so you don't have to install a bunch of servers or software or worry about upgrades, backups, and security patches. ServiceNow takes care of all of that for you. You just log in from a browser or even a mobile app, and you're ready to go. And there are really three main parts to it. First, it's a giant cloud database. Everything in ServiceNow, incidents, users, approvals, assets, customers, it's all stored in a structured relational database. Second, it comes with a whole suite of built-in applications. We looked at some of those for IT, HR, customer service, security, facilities. All those departments get tools that run on top of that same database. And third, it's a development environment. You can build your own apps, workflows, and tables, even automate those weird old processes your team still runs off of spreadsheets. And here's what makes it different from most other systems. In a lot of companies, every department has their own tools with their own databases, making it extremely difficult to share data across them without building a bunch of integrations and oftentimes copying the same information. But with ServiceNow, there's just one shared database, and all the apps, even the ones you build, work together on top of it. And the best part, you actually have access to that database. You can pop into the system definition application, for example, and click the tables module. You can open any table. You can see every field, check the data type, and explore how everything's connected right from the interface. You don't have to guess how it works, you can see it, and that's huge. Now about creating your own stuff. If you've got a process that doesn't quite fit the built-in tools, you can build your own right in ServiceNow. The platform includes a set of low-code, no-code development tools, which walk you through creating apps and tables, workflows, and automations, step by step. You don't need to be a developer, but if you are, there are also powerful scripting tools under the hood too. That's why I keep calling it a platform. It's not just something you use, it's something you can build on. So what can you actually do with ServiceNow? Let's walk through a couple of real-life examples. Say, for example, I'm having trouble with my laptop. I open the service portal, click request something, and submit the issue. Behind the scenes, that kicks off a whole workflow. The system routes it to the right support team, creates a task, sends notifications, and keeps me updated the whole time. No emails, no, did you get my ticket? It's just handled. Now imagine I work in HR and we're bringing on a new employee. I fill out the new hire form and boom, the system automatically creates tasks for IT, facilities, security, even sends out the welcome email. No need to track it all manually. Everyone gets their piece. Everything stays on track. Or maybe a light's out in the break room. I just pop in and open the facilities catalog. Submit the request. Get it routed to the right person right away. There's no back and forth and no confusion. It's just done. And that's the beauty of it. ServiceNow isn't just for IT. Whether you're fixing a server or replacing a ceiling tile, the same system manages the whole process. Now let's say something bigger breaks. Let's say like the payroll system goes down. Where do you even start? This is where the CMDB or Configuration Management Database comes in. You open up the record of the payroll app, and boom, you see the whole map of relationships. This app relies on this database that runs on this server, and that server's been having issues. Suddenly, it's not a mystery anymore. You've got visibility. You know where to look. That's a game changer. Now, all of that's just one side of the story. The other side, the people handling these requests, they get a whole set of powerful tools too. They can see a list of assigned tickets, review the full activity log, post updates, check the SLAs, and link to knowledge articles, whatever they need to get the job done. No digging around or switching systems. Everything's in one place and the whole team stays in sync. And finally, for the stuff that doesn't fit into a neat little box, like I said, you build your own solution, like a contract tracker or a budget approval tool, something you've been managing in spreadsheets for years. You can build right inside of ServiceNow. Runs on the same platform, taps into the same database, and works just like the built-in apps because it is a real app. And that's what makes ServiceNow so powerful. It's not limited to one department or one use case. It's a platform that makes everyone more productive. So now you've seen what ServiceNow is and what it can do, but here's the part that really surprised me when I got into it. This isn't just a behind-the-scenes tool used by corporate IT departments. It's everywhere. ServiceNow is used by more than 80% of the Fortune 500. Banks, hospitals, universities, manufacturers, retailers. It's in almost every industry you can think of. And if you've dealt with a big company lately, like filed a claim or made a request, or scheduled an appointment, there's a good chance that ServiceNow was running in the background. And it's growing like crazy. New features, new industries, more companies adopting it every year. And that means more job openings, not just for developers, but for people who understand how to use the platform to solve problems. And here's the kicker, it pays extremely well. ServiceNow certifications like the CSA or Certified System Administrator certification consistently rank among the highest paying IT certifications out there. Why? Because companies are desperate for people who can actually make this thing work for their business. And if you're thinking, yeah, but I'm not technical, you don't have to be. If you're comfortable working with a spreadsheet and following a process, you like solving problems, you can do this.
We can do this. Say we can do this.
You can do this. So yeah, it's a big deal. And if you're looking to build new skills, break into tech, or level up your career, learning ServiceNow might be one of the smartest moves you can make right now. All right, we're getting close to the end, but before we wrap up, I need to mention two more things. They might sound kind of boring, but they're really a big deal. In fact, these are the things that guided Fred Luddy way back when he built the platform, trying to help Phyllis stop typing in the same data all the time. First up, there's ITSM, which stands for IT Service Management, which sounds fancy, but it really just means having a structured way to run IT like a business. You've got requests coming in and incidents to fix and changes to track. You need a system to manage all of that. That's ITSM in a nutshell, and Fred baked it right into the foundation of ServiceNow. And second, there's ITIL, which stands for IT Infrastructure Library. ITIL is kind of like a playbook for how you do ITSM well. So best practices and proven workflows and guiding principles. It's a little dry, sure, but here's the cool part. Instead of just reading about it, you use it in ServiceNow. All those examples we looked at earlier, the onboarding requests, the approvals, the workflows, that's ITIL in action. So Fred didn't just create a tool, he created a platform that brings ITSM and ITIL to life. And when companies use ServiceNow, they're not just managing tickets, they're solving real problems fast and at scale. So you've made it this far and you might be thinking, this sounds pretty awesome. So how do I learn it? And that's a fair question. I'm going to give you a solid next step. There's a ServiceNow certification called CSA, and it stands for Certified System Administrator. And it's the first official step into the world of ServiceNow. By getting certified, you prove that you understand the platform and how it works and how to navigate it, how to work with the data and use the tools, actually get things done. The cool part, it's one of the most in-demand and high-paying entry-level IT certifications out there. Now, if you're curious or you just want to build on what you've learned in this video, I made something to help. It's a free downloadable CSA study guide. Plain language and visuals. No fluff, no jargon, just the fundamentals explained simply. And if you're ready to go a little deeper, I also created a full ServiceNow CSA Prep Masterclass. It's got short, step-by-step lessons and live walkthroughs in the actual platform, practice tips, access to my online Prep Hub community. It's self-paced, it's beginner-friendly, no pressure. So thanks for spending time with me today, and I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about what ServiceNow is and why it's important. And if this sparked something in you, if you're thinking, I might be able to do this, well, I think you're right. You can do this. Start with the guide and check out the masterclass and see if it's a good fit. But most importantly, just keep going. You've got this, and I'm here to help.